We are a group of 3 software engineering master students from U of C here to talk about the EOG mouse control system. So the problem we're trying to solve here was how do we enable those with permanent or temporary mobility limitations with very little muscle movement capability to participate in today's complex computer interface requirements. So whether that be the games we play on a day-to-day basis for entertainment, scrolling through the web, all these things we take for granted that we use every day. So the solution we came up with utilizes the brain computer interface tools, allowing the user to control a typical computer mouse and all its movements through EOG readings only. It gives the user a full 2-dimensional motion and all the typical mouse clicking functionality. And there's up to 6 unique mouse events right now. So this could actually be implemented on a much wider scale to all sorts of applications that require that many standard inputs. On to you, Garnet.
So how we implemented this was by using 2 sets of EXG pills, one to monitor up and down movement of the eyes and one to monitor left and right movement of the eyes. The raw signal we read off those is being transferred into the computer and analyzed to determine what way the eyes just moved. And from that, we can control the mouse. In the future, we'd like to really simplify the process and the system. We think that we could have a single headband style device that could easily be attached and removed that would incorporate both the sensors themselves as well as all the data processing. That way it could talk to a computer similar to any other mouse device does, and it could be easily plug and play with many different computers and many different people. Then Mo will talk a bit about how we could improve the process.
Yeah, we could go further with this processing and using machine learning and creating a model training on the data from user and improve that by adding more functionality to the device and make it more accurate. And that could also enable us to move the mouse more faster and more accurate action. And that could be done with machine learning models. And here we're going to show a really simple demo using the device for browsing the internet.
Thanks, Bo. Yeah, so here we're showing myself using the application to move a mouse and scroll through a website. So here you can see the mouse moving across the screen, clicking on a link. And then moving the mouse across the screen to start scrolling. As you can see, currently it is a little bit slow, but that's obviously something that could be improved in the future. Scrolling through the website. At this point, the user's done with the website. So we're moving on to minimize the screen. Just kind of showing how you can really navigate through a typical computer setup. And the ability to have a right click, as well as the left click. And yeah, thanks for watching.